guys. Today we got me and Eshan with our dad.
Really nice, guys.
Yo!
Look at that bridge.
You guys. And also bridge. And for some reason we're still going forward. So I'm kind of scared. I don't want to get eaten.
Quiet.
But there could be like, there could be vicious animals. Whoa! Sorry guys, I got bad camera help. Okay, I'm actually kind of. You should get in the wind. Oh, my hands hurt.
Now, look, show them, Guys, I found it. I found a snake. Right there. I found a snake. It's right there. Somewhere there. No, I'm not getting there. You think it's right there somewhere? It's right there somewhere.
I swear, if it's a snake, you gotta give me it.
I think it's gone somewhere. I saw them. It's right. I saw it right there.
How did you film that?
Like it was a sound of hiss, like that. Let's keep going. Let's keep going.
We're going towards the ducky, and we're hiking down. For some reason, we're not using the stairs, and we're like climbing down these like mountain type thingies. You guys, I was literally about to fall. Hopefully, I don't fall. Okay, I'm literally like about to fall. You guys, check the nature out. You see them? Duckies! Literally, I just fell. Oh my gosh. There the duckies are. Yo, duckies!
No, I think so it's not me.
Look at the waterfall. It's beautiful, tiny, beautiful.
Tiny but beautiful.
Tiny but beautiful.
Man, I just got scared. Bye.
Guys, come.
ओए shayan, इधर पीछे हो जा. Don't fall yourself into water.
Let's go right there. Right up there. I think there's something there. I think there's a stairway up and then it goes somewhere.
We gotta find the lamppost to Narnia.
Yeah, we have to. It's the best thing.
Dude, I'm telling you.
I'm
telling you. If you guys read the video, book, you must have seen Narnia. I think these are the stairs.
Try.
What's that?
I think
I
it's
think
right
these are
up.
stairs to Narnia. Narnia, welcome us. Boogie bugs.
We're here. This should be the key. What? Which one?
Nothing.
Look. It's right there.
Hey, you guys,
come.
okay? We're close.
I think
Oh my God. My butt is- So, I think
it looks like a chimney.
we found the discovery room. This is the hidden castle.
There's a hidden house.
No, I'm actually kind of scared. You guys, I'm too scared.
You can see that tree.
You guys,
Look how tall is that?
lost me once.
Can I walk on it?
There must be a snake in that. It stinks. It stinks a lot.